Tocopilla faces dangerous flood and mudflow emergency in northern Chile. Tocopilla in northern Chile is facing a dangerous weather emergency as heavy rain triggered powerful flows of water, mud, and sediment through the city and surrounding valleys. The event, known locally as an aluvion, sent torrents rushing down quebradas at high speed, carrying debris into residential areas and across roads. Homes and vehicles were damaged as muddy water continued moving through several sectors. In some locations, vehicles were swept by the current, with reports of multiple cars colliding after being dragged into the flow. Emergency crews, including Carabineros and firefighters, moved in to evacuate residents from affected areas. Preventive evacuations were also carried out in Pacífico Norte and Tres Marías, while powerful water flows were seen along Calle Colón heading toward the sea. In Iquique, heavy rain caused disruption around Líder, Mall Plaza, and the ZOFRI area, where another aluvion was reported near ZOFRI Autos. Severe conditions also affected the route between Iquique and Alto Hospicio, creating major traffic congestion and fears of further high-volume water flows. Authorities raised the alert level to Alerta Roja for Iquique after the meteorological event on August 18. With more rain still possible, concern remains high across Tocopilla, Iquique, Alto Hospicio, and nearby areas. Residents are being urged to stay away from active channels in flood-prone zones, as water, mud, and debris can move suddenly and with tremendous force. The priority now is preventing further injuries and protecting communities as the extreme weather continues.